Great things come in small packages. If your Canmore property hot buttons include penthouse living, vaulted ceilings, awesome views, and tons of storage, you're gonna love my newest listing. With 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and attached garage in the heart of Three Sisters, this one checks all the boxes. Let's go have a look. When you step inside this home, you immediately see the perks of being an end unit. This foyer has tons of natural light and big windows. And from here, you have direct access to the garage, or you can head up the stairs to the main living level. Let's go take a look upstairs. We're on the top level here, so you've got no one above you and these great vaulted ceilings with big windows to enjoy the views. And this living area is so inviting and cozy. Plus you have this great spot in front of the stone fireplace to kick back and relax after a day outside. This kitchen's a standout too. You've got this great island that is perfect for catching up over coffee or sharing meals with friends. It's a super functional space and really has that mountain feel with the solid wood cabinets and the beautiful wood beam accents. You instantly feel at home here. And for those times that you want to have more of a family style meal, you've also got a great dining area. Now check out these decks. You get 2 of them, north and south facing. Whether you're grilling, enjoying the scenery, or watching the sunrise from the front deck, you'll love having the option of 2 outdoor spaces. Down the hall from the living area is the primary bedroom that has its own ensuite, access to the sunny south deck, and a good-sized closet. And the second bedroom is on the opposite side of the living area, giving you and your guests privacy. Your guests will love waking up to views of the sisters from their bed, with the convenience of the second bathroom, 4-piece, just outside the door. Storage? Check. The attached garage and extra storage room at the front of the garage make it easy to keep all of your gear organized and ready for your next adventure, whether it's a day on the slopes or an afternoon on the trails. And when you're ready to explore, the trails are right outside your door. And just down the street, you have great local spots like the Market Bistro and the Unwind Wine Shop. And with the new gateway shops coming soon, you'll have even more amenities just down the street, all within walking distance. Whether you're looking for your weekend getaway or your full-time mountain retreat, this penthouse has all the charm and comfort you could want. Curious to see it yourself? Please reach out. My contact info is below, and I'd love to show it to you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future tours. I'm Chezlene Kocian with ReMax Alpine Realty.